Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 25th of August 2024. I'll be going over my weekly prediction for Tesla. As usual, I'll be going over the monthly, weekly, and finally the daily charts. And then I'll switch over to the Excel sheet where we'll review last week's prediction and go over this one in more detail. But before getting into this video, it's important to make the disclaimer that all information here is completely educational, and therefore it is important to conduct your own analysis, whatever analysis that may be, to ensure that you're comfortable with the risk, reward, and trading style, since you may not be with mine. And as such, it is important to note that this video is an educational video. It is not a trading or investing guide. It is simply a log of my predictions with its rationale, and that's what this video is meant for, and please use it that way. Now, with that out of the way, monthly charts we can see have been quite erratic for Tesla. I mean, we've kind of just had a wave. We ended up basically where we started, around a year ago. So we've basically gone nowhere with price action. That's why RSI is flatlined, and it's flatlining, and its average is basically flat. MACD has been going down. I mean, this kind of matches what we're seeing here, and it's now very flat. Histogram is negative, so we are still in the red. But if I remove this and replace it with a DMI, this becomes even more clear of how basically the ADX is sharply going downwards. I mean, we are not trending whatsoever. And that's kind of what we can gauge from this. Now, weekly charts, a little bit more interesting. We can see we had this huge decline, and then the last 3 weeks have been a very, very positive welcome change for Tesla and most stocks, as this was a huge decline, one of the worst. RSI has shot down as expected quite significantly. However, it is recovering. That is in line with the price action that we're seeing. Here, the DI plus is above the DI minus. However, the ADX is oscillating, so it's below both. So that means it's not a particularly trending environment, and that is something to take note of. And immediately we can see that this is a spinning top candle, so it would be safe to take the high and low of this candle as the support and resistance. So that's that. Daily charts, we can see again, similarly not very trending. We can see the ADX is going down. It's below both the DI plus and DI minus, which is definitely not a great sign. Although there is definitely a slightly bearish intent according to this indicator. RSI we can see is not diverging whatsoever. We can see this completely aligns with the price action that we're seeing, as there are lower highs, and that is fair. And although we are seeing a recovery, there was definitely a huge collapse in the last 3 weeks, and that is why we are seeing these indicators act as they are. But now let's move to the Excel sheets, and let me switch over to Tesla's. Last week we did make a loss of 1%, and you can see the details of this trade here. And this week we will buy when it crosses the Tesla's price crosses the resistance at 228.22 and falls below the support at 203.88 with a target of 2% and a trailing stop loss of 1%. If neither the stop loss or target are hit, then we will just close on Friday. The weekly trend currently is sideways. However, we are making a recovery, and that could change. And the monthly trend right now is down, or I would probably say it's actually more sideways than down. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you next time.